Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Glad to have you here. Inshallah, today we are going to compare between these two apps, which is the Ayat and then Tarteel. So they are both Quranic apps that we normally use on our mobile phones. So one of these has a AI attached with it, which is the Tarteel. So Ayat has been there for long, so it also has tajweed and write-ups. Then and as well you can test your memorization. But due to this new update of Tarteel, so which has AI, so we are going to compare the two. So inshallah, but for that of Ayat, that one is free. For the Tarteel version, that one there is a free version as well. There is the one that you are going to buy, so you can also prescribe. So let's now check out, and I'm going to start with Tarteel. So I'm going to open it from the beginning, as in I've installed it just now. So you are going to see the first screen, inshallah. So let's now dive in. So we have Tarteel. So this is the first thing you are going to see. So then Tarteel, let's wait. So you are going to see this. Then the next thing that you need to do is just to press here as get started. So you press on get started. Then the next thing that will come on is that you'll be asked to tap on the microphone and recite. So because it has to record your voice, so that whenever you just recite any verse, then it's going to automatically identify your voice and as well started. So I'm now going to press on the mic, then we now recite zulaikhastudio. So since basmala and isti'adha is not there, I'm going to start with that. So أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. And once you've made mistake, it's going to show you. So right from here, let's start. Just say why using the app. Okay, after that you are just going to press on continue. Then it will now identify where you made a mistake. So as you can see, as they said I've made mistake here on this place. So maybe they've not had the ha on, or what do we see? So you can see that is a summary. That is where I made mistake. Okay, Qul huwallahu ahad. I've not said Qul huwallahu samad. AI, you've not heard me, sorry for that. So let's now say continue again. Then here you'll be asked to create an account. If you already have an account, you just come here and log in. But since you are just doing it for the tutorial purpose, you are going to use either email. So you can either use your email for the first time if it's not logged in on your phone, or if you are using iPhone, you can use this one. If you are using Android phone, or you are just using a Google Mail, then you can use this one. So I'm using Android, so I'll just use my Google. Then we now press on continue with Google. Then you now be asked which of these your email you want to use. So I now choose one. So once you've selected the email, then you'll be asked to write the name you want to be called, that is your username. Let me use here Batonu. So that is it. Then I will now say okay, then create account. So once the account has been created, you will now be asked to just choose either of these must have. So I will just use the first one. Then I will enable the Tajweed colors to be shown. You can see it here. So I hope you can see where I just tick here. So show the Tajweed colors. So then the next thing is to say continue. And then after that, you will now be asked, that is the referral. So just see here, I will select there and say YouTube. Then the YouTube account I got it from, I'll use my own. So Abu-Zulaikha Studio or Abu-Zulaikha, take anyone. So just say continue. Then you now enable it allow. So it's now giving you some hints that if you want to listen to a reciter, hold down the green microphone. This is the green microphone here. So you hold it down, then you are going to listen to a reciter, and it has to be online or you can download it. So in the next episode, we are going to now see how you are going to enable mistakes, then hidden of our verses, which is a pro version. Some of them they have pro version, premium versions features. So let's now meet in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.